Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to prepare potatoes in spinach gravy just like Indian way. Now I took 4 tablespoons of oil. I use sunflower oil. You can use whatever you want. And in it I am putting 2 medium-sized dyed potatoes. And I'm going to roast it till light brown. Please don't overcook your potatoes, otherwise it will become mushy in your spinach gravy. Now you can see it's perfectly done, just the way I wanted it to be. Now I removed 2 tablespoons of oil from my pan and added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 chopped onion. I use red onions, you can use white or brown, anyone you like. Now fry it well. Fry it till it becomes translucent or light brown. Now our onions are completely cooked. I am going to add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Immediately after tomatoes, I am going to add salt according to taste. One teaspoon turmeric powder, and after that 2 teaspoon coriander powder, also half teaspoon of red chili powder, which is completely optional. Mix everything well and then add 2 tablespoons of water. Close the lid of the pan and let it cook on medium to low flame till the tomatoes start releasing oil. Now you can see the oil on the top of my tomatoes, that means they are completely cooked. So I'm going to add 250 grams of spinach, which is roughly chopped. Now don't mix the spinach with the gravy. Close the lid and on medium to low flame let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now open the lid, mix the spinach with the gravy. Now close the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now my gravy is ready and this is how it looks. Now I am adding fried potatoes and half teaspoon garam masala into it. Now mix well. Close the lid and let it cook for another 1 minute on low flame. And now here our recipe is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share this video. Press the like button. Thank you.